What is up? Welcome to TechTubeCentral. Before I start this video, please go to TechTubeCentral.com/survey or go to TechTubeCentral.com and then click on survey, because a while ago I made a survey asking people that are subscribed to me to fill this out, and I only got 8 responses and I have 125 subscribers, and the more responses I get, the better I can make my videos. Because I found out I need to get a better microphone, because my microphone, as you can tell, isn't the best. So now I know. So on to the video. Today I'm going to be talking about WordPress and how I made my website, because as I said earlier, I had a survey up, and I still do, and someone asked how I made my awesome website. Thank you, TechTube84, for calling my website awesome. I really appreciate that. I worked really hard on it. So basically what I did was I installed WordPress, then I went and got a theme, then I installed some plugins, tweaked some settings, and bada boom, I had a website up and running, and it is listed on Google, Bing, Yahoo, you know. It's just great. And it's just been wonderful. So that's why I'm starting a series, because I need to tell you guys what WordPress is. In this video, I need to talk about how to install it, how to change the settings, install plugins, themes, my settings. If you want to copy some of the settings, I don't mind. Just don't copy my exact same settings. Otherwise, that would be very annoying. But, yeah. So, in this part, as I said, I'm going to be talking about what WordPress is. Basically, in 3 words, WordPress is Blogspot on steroids. Literally, it is. If you've ever had a Blogspot blog, you know how annoying it is. But you also know that it can be very powerful, and it is can be a great blogging platform. You should also know that there are 3 types of WordPress. Regular WordPress, WordPress.org, WordPress.com, and WordPress.mu. First, in this video, I'm going to be talking about WordPress.com. WordPress.com is similar to Blogspot. You get your own subdomain, and then you can customize your blog, and it's a great thing. However, I like WordPress better because you still get a whole bunch more customization options. Now, there is a problem with that, because there are options you can't customize, and you can't get it for your own domain on WordPress.com. That's why they have WordPress.org. You basically install it on your server, and you can totally customize it. It's open source, so you can make themes, plugins, whatever, and it's just great. No one can delete it because it's on your web server, unlike Google, which if they don't like your blog, they can just go, oh, they said something mean about Google, I'm shutting down this blog, because they can, because it's Google server, and they have the right to do that. WordPress.org, like I said, you install it on your server, and it's meant for one user or a few writers, but on the same blog. They also have WordPress.mu, which is also found at WordPress.org. WordPress.mu stands for WordPress Multi-User. It's for sites that, if you want to make a site like WordPress.com, which WordPress.com is powered by WordPress.mu. So here's an ideal WordPress.mu site. I have Techno Buffalo up in case you've never seen a WordPress.mu site. It's a great site. I used to have a blog there. I still have an account there. I just never write on it because I have TechTubeCentral.com. So there's 3 different types. And some people think that WordPress is just for blogs. You can totally customize it and make it even not a blogging site. You can make it a social network. There's plugins and stuff that you can make your entire site a social network using WordPress. And it doesn't even look like a WordPress site. You can make it not look like a WordPress site at all. And you can have pages on your site. So if you still want an about page, I still have all these links. I have about, contact, links on the web, the drop down list for Facebook, Twitter, whatnot, YouTube, iTunes and whatnot, survey, and it's just great. So really, it's not just for blogs, but it is meant for that. Here's an idea of a video theme. Now, like I said, you have themes, and some of these themes are video themes. I'll talk about this in another video, but I just wanted to briefly talk about it. So, I have up tinkernut.com. It's a great site. I totally recommend it. I do recommend Techno Buffalo if you want to start a tech blog because it's super easy, fast, and John Renninger is an awesome guy. So, basically, you can make it for your videos, and what he has done here on tinkernut.com, go subscribe to him, youtube.com/gigafied. Daniel, you made a heck of a site. But you see these arrows right here? You just click them, and it goes to the next video. It's just great. You can actually sort by video category because he has do-it-yourself projects, cool website hacks, programming tips, security, multimedia, and a whole bunch of other great stuff. He also has a forum and whatnot. You can totally customize WordPress. Isn't this a great site? All used by WordPress. His forum was WordPress. That's a plugin. All this powered by WordPress. So as you can tell, it's very powerful. 9 out of 10 times when you see a site that does not end in blogspot.com, it is powered by WordPress. The only time it's not, basically, out of those 9 out of 10 times, is if it's a commercial site like Lockers, Microsoft, Apple, Yahoo, Bing, you get it. Or whatever it may be. Just commercial stuff in general. Or CNET or Gizmodo because they have to code themselves. For some reason, because they're too good for WordPress. You know how it is. Anyway, so that's a brief overview of WordPress. I hope I could help you guys out. That's how I made my site. So this is why I'm starting a series. And what better way to start by talking about WordPress. In the next video in this series, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to install WordPress and get it run. So, thank you for watching. If this is your first time watching this video, that's great. If this is the first time you've ever watched one of my videos at all, hit the subscribe button. It's easy, it's free if you're watching this on YouTube. And if you're not, just go to TechTubeCentral.com/subscribe and hit the subscribe button, as it really helps me out since I'm trying to get a partnership as my goal. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. I hope I could help you out. Have a great day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.